Hey everyone, this is Ilham, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on the AUR malware situation. It looks like that the issue is really not fully over yet. The original issue, as you may recall, was attackers adopting orphaned AUR packages and in return they pushed malicious updates. Well, some of those updates made use of install scripts and um stuff like that to run commands like malicious commands to during the installation. And even though the Arch Linux team claims that some of the first malicious packages were cleaned up, some more suspicious packages and commits kept showing up. Attackers also changed how the commands appear now. So simple detection scripts that you may have used to check if these packages are, affected are not going to be caught so easily now. And so if you are using the Arch user repository, AUR, especially with any AUR helper like Yay or Paru or whatever, I'm just telling you to be careful. Not telling you to panic, and I'm not claiming that every AUR package is bad. However, I won't blindly run a full AUR update and just, spam yes without checking what the changes are, right? Like, because, I mean, yeah, it's better to just be safe than sorry. And so, um, to check what packages from the AUR or any foreign packages that you may have installed, just run pacman-qm. Let me just zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, all these packages that I have are either I built from source or I installed from the AUR. To see what you installed recently or updated, just run this command. I will have it in the description down below. This shows you all the commands that all the packages that have been installed or upgraded in the past few days. Ever since finding out that um, the AUR has been breached with malware, I was scared to update my system, and so I waited a few days to just get some reassurance that the Arch repositories themselves are safe. Just better be safe than sorry. But yes, I did not at all update any of these packages, despite them um not being affected. As you can see over here, these are all the affected packages. But still, I am just trying to be on the safe side because you never know which package gets affected and whatnot. Because not always will this list be up to date, but it does give a general idea of what packages have been infected and which packages are still safe. If you did update one of the affected packages during the this time frame, you need to take it seriously. And when it comes to removing the malware, don't just assume that uninstalling the package is enough for you. When it you can, obviously just run sudo pacman dash r and whatever, right? Sudo pacman dash r and then package. However, it does not really remove the malware because um the malware was already run, like the malicious script was already run and the damage probably already happened. And if the malware was, let's say, an information stealer, it probably grabbed your browser sessions, your SSH keys, tokens, whatever confidential data that you may have is probably have already been accessed by unauthorized people or hackers. And so, for the affected users, I would recommend that the safest move you do is to reinstall your system. Just do a clean reinstall. But obviously, first back up all the personal files that you need on a clean system. Revoke your tokens from GitHub, GitLab, NPM, and any other confidential site that you feel like is important and you are logged into. And please, 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 if you have SSH keys, change them. Completely change them and do not reuse them because they most probably have been stolen. So it's just best for you to be on the safer side. And then just reinstall the entire system from a clean installation media, basically clean flash drive. It does sound extreme, yes. However, if the malware already has been executed on your system, especially something that, steals your confidential information, a full reinstall is the cleanest and the best option, in my opinion. I'm not claiming, yet again, I'm not claiming that every single AUR package is bad. Like, I'm not claiming that all these packages are bad. However, please do not blindly trust any AUR packages, ins- whether you install them or update them right now. If you do have to install or update, and check their PKG build or package build. Check for any install files, anything that looks suspicious. Watch out for random curl, wget, npm, blah blah blah, all sorts of commands that appear like they're hiding what their true intent is. AUR is still useful. It still has a lot of bunch of helpful packages, but I would still be wary just to be on the safe side and actually review what we are installing in the first place, just so we cut out every aspect of getting your computer infected. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do subscribe. It'll be greatly appreciated. If you have any questions regarding anything, please do join the Discord server. I'm always active there. You can just send me a DM or reach out to me on any of my socials. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, everyone.